God save the King!
Getting a moment that will stay with them for the rest of their lives, and also the machine's getting ready. A wave to the crowd, and the crowd waves back.